Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Visual Studio Code and any dependent terminals so files aren't locked. Once done, open Task Manager and forcibly end any lingering code. EXE processes to avoid uninstall errors. Make a quick backup of user settings and key bindings from %appdata%\code/user so you can restore preferences later. Also sign out of Settings Sync to remove cloud-linked data. This prevents reapplying extensions after reinstall. With the app closed and your settings saved, proceed to Windows Settings Apps to uninstall Visual Studio Code. After the standard uninstall, you must manually remove leftover files that the uninstaller skips. Navigate to %localappdata%\programs and delete the Microsoft VS Code folder, then remove %appdata%\code to clear user caches and delete %userprofile%\. vscode to remove extensions. Make sure to check %localappdata%\code and %programdata for any stray folders. If extensions are large, deleting. vscode removes them and frees space. These steps finish by restarting Windows to release any file locks and confirm Visual Studio Code no longer runs. If you're comfortable, open regedit and remove leftover keys under hkcu\software\code or Microsoft VS entries. Only do this if you understand registry risk, because incorrect edits can harm the system. After reboot, search your drive for code or Visual Studio Code to confirm removal. If uninstall fails or files resist deletion, boot into safe mode or use a reliable third-party uninstaller to remove stubborn files and registry remnants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.